Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So AI is the upcoming hot topic and it has been going on everywhere. And this report says that next generation CPUs by Intel and AMD are both being nerfed because of AI. And yeah, it's basically true according to this report because Microsoft is also on the bandwagon of AI. They had already redesigned their keyboard layout according to for the Copilot key, and for the first time here in many years also Microsoft is going hard with Copilot. They had integrated it on their Windows 11, and you can essentially use Copilot directly on your Windows 11. You don't need an external app or connection or something like that. You can just do it natively on Windows 11. And also they confirm that if you want to be termed it as an AI PC, you need 40 teraflops of performance in NPU, and there are various other requirements for it. And it's basically the AI craze have also been nerfing the AMD's and Intel's production basically. And the thing is like AMD has dedicated a large AI engine block for their XDNA 2 architecture, which was originally going to be there for the integrated GPU. So basically these were going to be an APUs, but now they removed it and they are just like a CPU with an AI core to it, which is a bummer to see because many people doesn't need AI performance, but they do need an integrated graphics. But yeah, they are being nerfed. Next up, we have some news regarding Strix Hello Point and RDNA 3.5. RDNA 3.5 is basically being a stock gap between RDNA 3 and RDNA 4. It's somewhere in the middle, and it's going to be launched pretty soon basically. But the bummer part which comes is like RDNA 3.5, which is being launched, is there going it's going to be there for ages, and typically it's going to be there till 2027. So each and every APU which will be coming from this point on will have RDNA 3.5 inbuilt and not RDNA 4 or RDNA 5 or something like that, which is a bummer to see. But this is the same thing that they had done with Vega, because Vega was supported on their graphics card, on their APU still like Ryzen 5 5600G. So it was launched back with Ryzen 1000 series, so till 5000. So it was supported for 4 years. So yeah, it's a bummer to see that RDNA 4 may not include integrated graphics, but it is to be expected because RDNA 4 is just low end segment. Next up, we have some news regarding the upcoming BattleMage CPU GPU by Intel, and it comes from a conference which was held, and during that conference in Germany, basically, and we got some new details regarding it. It's embedded worldwide conference, and there they launched their Arc GPUs for the age. These are based on Alchemist architecture, so it's their last generation graphics architecture and not the latest. And they had launched few of them for their edge computing nodes, and these are pretty small and they looks pretty good and for the performance it provides. But they also talked about BattleMage, like, and they asked in the insider basically what about their next generation graphics card, which is going to be the based on BattleMage and stuff. And to that they said that they are planning to launch it during Black Friday, which is a weird thing to see because it's going to be launched in Q4, essentially in Q4 of 2024, and BattleMage launching at that point before Black Friday is going to be a weird scenario because RDNA 4 is coming during that time, and also RTX 50 series is launching in the second half of 2024, at the end of 2024, essentially. So BattleMage is going to be having a pretty tough confident competition at if it launches at that time, but we still don't know because AMD's RDNA 4 is going to be rumored only for mid-range. So yeah, it's going to be a tough competition for Intel. We still don't know any details regarding it, but yeah, it is what it is. And lastly, for today, we have some news regarding Zen 5 and essentially Ryzen 9000. And it has been leaked several times, but now this just confirms it. And in the latest leak, it's power management framework, which essentially shows motherboards and manufacturers that what are the power requirements for this particular processors and stuff like that. And according to this leak, it has been spotted like the support for Ryzen 8000, Ryzen 9000 has been updated for the manufacturers of motherboards and stuff. So yeah, essentially Ryzen 9000 has been officially confirmed by AMD itself, and it is indeed going to be launched pretty soon. Every says it's going to be launched sometime in May, but we still don't know anything about it. But if this leak is correct, Ryzen 9000 is coming pretty soon because it comes from HXL, and as you can see, it supports various other things. There are various drivers for motherboard which has been supported, and it's basically for AM5 motherboards. And here, as you can see down here, it says S SPMF 8000, 7040, RPMF 6000, 7000, 8000, but the important thing is called MPMF for 9000, and this just confirms that Ryzen 1000 is indeed going to be launched pretty soon with power management profile. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about this? New sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.